This is the Meerkat. Hey, I sadly want to inform you that a great trading educator has passed suddenly. Mark Douglas, writer of the Trading in the Zone and the Disciplined Trader. He has had a major impact over my life as a trader and the millions of other traders out there as well. He will be truly missed, but his teachings will live on. Well, let's talk about a trade we had in the Grok trading room this morning, and it was on Alibaba, BABA. And here it was at opening, and it gapped down, and it started to fill the gap, hit its head here on the 200 period moving average, this big, huge red line, as well as the 50 moving average, and it was doing a bull pullback. So let's take a look at what a bull pullback is, and we can go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and right here, Chart School. And then we have chart patterns here in the Chart School that talk about, and we want to do a bullish pattern right here, bull pullback, also known as a pullback buy. We just touch on that, and you see it had run up, hit its head there on that 200 period moving average, and pull back. Now, if it ran back up again, I want it to be long, so I was going to set a trade and let the market come to me. And if it does break out, like in these examples, it can be a very significant breakout here on these bull pullbacks. So let's take a look here what happened next. I set a trade just above that 200 period moving average, and boom, look at that. It ran up and it caught me in at $62.39. I am long on BABA, Alibaba. All right, let's see what happens next. And boom, 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 there she goes. I'm going to set myself a stop here. I'm going to put it right here below this 200 period moving average. There's where my stop is for right now. There we go. And boom, 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 there it goes. It's just taking off. So now bring my stop up here to break even and a little bit. So I'm in the money. Now, no risk trade. Love it when that happens. Let's compress this down and follow this trade. Here it goes up here. Now it's pulling back a little bit, and another bull pullback there. Look at that, and starting to rise up. Opportunity for others to enter it. So now I have at least a break-even trade here. It's up almost $1 now, so let's go ahead and move our stop up here, just under here, and let's just keep managing this stop here and let it go up, go. All right, keep moving this up here a little bit. Move it just underneath the $63 area. Give it a little bit of room to run. And I now have over 1% in this trade, and it's going up, pulling back a little bit, going up, pulling back. There, we'll pull back all the way to the 20 moving average. So here's my stop. I'm going to pull it up here just underneath that 20, making sure that it holds. And if it breaks below that 20 moving average, I was going to want to be out anyway. And then boom, there she goes, right back up there again. So I'm going to take my stop here. It's again right here at this level. I'm going to move it on up here just underneath that $63.40 area. Boom, boom, it's up to $64. But look at that, hitting its head on an even dollar amount there. Boom, 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 pulling back. And what's going to happen now? It's just high basing here. But look, I've got probably 2% in this trade so far. I'm just going to keep my stop right here. And let's see what happens. What's going to happen? It's just high basing here. So, okay, I'm doing several other trades in the chat room. In fact, we had 11 called trades today overall. And this one was the most successful one, but also took the most patience here. Look at that. Still going up. Now it's back above the 64. It's 64.44. Bringing it up here to this 50 moving average. And just below the $64 area. And let's keep going. See what happens here. And now it's pulling back here. I'm going to pull it up above the 64 here. Let's bring it up to 64.08. And it's rising again. Boom, boom, boom. This is cool. So now I'm going to bring it up here to 60, just underneath this 20 moving average, 64 to 36. And watch it. And bam, there it is. It stopped right there on that 64.36 and stopped me out. So let's take a look at this overall trade. I've got to squeeze it in here just so we can get the whole thing in one picture. So we had a bull pullback here. Let's call it up here. We had a bull pullback here. We entered as soon as it broke out above major resistance. And by the way, it did have a little bit of additional volume here as it was going up. And then we just managed this stop up there through some of the pullbacks. And when finally it broke down here below the 20 moving average and the 8 EMA and this 6440, bam, I was stopped out. And so it was for a total of 3.1% in 1 hour and 18 minutes. Hooah! Mark the Meerkat. Just remember that Mark Douglas is trading truths #1. Anything can happen. Trade well.